Hey, good afternoon. Thanks for joining us for another edition of Canadian Bacon Stocks for November the 12th, 2024, 2:41 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's been a wild day. It's been a wild week with some of this news technology oriented with the Bitcoin, but let's go right to the heat map as you can see on your screen. Look at bada bing, bada boom again. Look at this. To the moon, Alice, and more. Shopify up 25.81% today. On the 12th of November. Just incredible after earnings. Let's take a look at Shopify real quick here. Big buying today, right? Up. Look at that as we showed you before. I believe, let me see, most of the earnings came from overseas, I believe. So it looks like they went up 25% during trading today. Just incredible. Shopify trading at 157.80 around there. And that's one you want to put on your watch list for sure. They tell me I don't have too much time, so I got to burn along here with the Canadian Bacon stocks, right? Hopefully putting a sizzle into your stock portfolio. Always remember to look before you leap, right? Meaning, among other things, do your 12-6 1 month, 1 week analysis on the stocks, on your stocks on your watch list that we suggest to you today. On the screener today, active, NVIDIA, Apple, of course, right? These are all strong buys, and you may want to jot these down. These are all Canadian, right? $30.95 for Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta, Tesla. And always the heavy hitters, Berkshire, Eli Lilly, and Walmart's a steady Freddy, right? And that's what we have for November the 12th, 2024. Let's go right to bada bing, bada boom again. I'm sorry I'm saying that. Little back pocket, front pocket action. A little, I'm not allowed to say that, right? Little insider trading. Let's go to look at that on your screen. Fastenal, selling all kinds, right? 3.4 million for the CFO. You got the CAO, the EVP. You got directors selling. Everybody's selling today, November the 12th, 2024. Put that on your little watch list, all right? Fastenal. Another one that came to my sites. There's so many of these. If someone's putting their fingers in the cookie, someone's putting a hand in the cookie jar, not just the fingers. Not necessarily NVR here, selling at 9.2 million and 2.3 million for David and Thomas, eh? Director and another director at NVR, disposed. Another one that came to my radar was Comfort Systems down here. For some reason, selling 2.5 million Comfort Systems November the 12th. That comes to my radar, and that zooms us along right to Bitcoin, which looks like it traded around 90,000. It's been on my radar for 2 weeks, right? I'm really ramped up on the Bitcoin before it's hitting all times high. I believe that was around 2 o'clock this morning, and I had around 90,000. It's trading actively, and that brings me along to just look at these as an option. Something in your portfolio to watch when everything else is like sats. You can look at Bitcoin just to give you some stability, along like silver, oil, and gold, all that stuff. Diversify if you can, spread it around, and that brings us to this one, BNB. And that's, these are all offshoots of the Bitcoin. Look at that at BNB. And let's get a little closer to what BNB, and there's another one that's called Solana, and let's check them out right now. And there's something you should put on a watch list altogether in the cryptocurrency area. And we're looking at the BNB. And let's look at what BNB is really quickly. And before we scroll too far, look at that, 142% over 1 year. That's pretty good. And over 5 years, it's up 2,000%. So that's a little better than a steady Freddy there, I'd say. And that brings us right to the BNB. Since its launch, if you don't mind me letting you know, Binance has been showing a drive for development and willingness to become a provider for the entire blockchain ecosystem. And it's been true to its mission, launching more and more services in various spheres, including its own utility token, BNB. So this is a very, very, very promising area of the cryptocurrency market. And that brings us right over to Solana, its competitor. They don't like each other. 1 year, it's up 324%. That's SOL. Let's check out SOL. Solana is a protocol praised a lot for its performance and speed, all for the sake of facilitating a decentralized apps. The protocol is even noted for its proof of history consensus that improves scalability and consequently usability. Some bold fans even say Solana is the future rival of Ethereum. And so we'll see what happens with that. But these are all intertwined, they're connected. The matrix, you know what I mean? It's like the matrix here for Bitcoin cryptocurrency. It's just lovely. Over year to date, 128%. I had a few other markings on that. What was that? 3 months, 45%. So that's Market Car. So that's the end of the show today. Looks like Bitcoin just keeps creeping up. The show focus this week was on Bitcoin. It's hit 90,000. Just incredible. Something you can beat. It's been a very promising week for me with cryptocurrency. Hope everybody's having a great trading week. And just before we go.